Okay, last video. Woohoo! Just want to make a big deal here about idea 8, which is currency formatting. Just note if a number's in red and or it has parentheses around it, what that means versus if the number's black. And we saw a little bit of that with our payment function, but I'll kind of just make a big deal about it right here. So let's change our number, well, actually, let's just type in -10. Okay. Now, if I change that to currency, let's see what happens. Notice it keeps it negative and it's in the black. But there are options. When we look at currency, you will see another way of displaying a negative number is it can be red. So notice when it's red, there's no negative sign on it because you're supposed to understand when you see red, that means negative. Another option is we can put parentheses around it. So parentheses again means negative. So if I did this box, which is parentheses 10 plus this box, I should get 0. And I can make this currency as well. So that way, a -$10 plus $10 makes nothing. So I just need you to see those notations. And then another notation is sometimes you can do both parentheses and red. And you notice it's just a notation. It's a way of looking at it. Whatever jumps out at your eye, you set it to that meaning. But it's all calculated the same way. -10 plus 10 makes 0. So most students like to go back to the standard way that they're used to with the negative sign and work with it from there. So that way we have -10 plus 10 makes 0. And remember how I'm getting into this is by formatting the cells. So I right click on the cell, I go down to Format Cell, and now is where I make my selection because I've already chosen that it's a currency, so I make my selection in here. Okay, I hope that helps. Enjoy.